Hello everyone, we're going to start the lab 52 now. So it's image steganography by using OpenStego, right? And OpenStego is a steganography tool that hides the data inside the image, right? This is all about steganography when you just want to hide something. In case I have some data and I want to hide the data in a particular image format, when you are just going to click the image, it will execute only the image in the back end. I have hidden some data, sorry. So I have hidden some data. This concept is, or this technology is known as steganography. Right, so terrorists know so many different type of files, so can hold all sort of hidden information. And tracking or finding these files can be almost impossible task. So they are using steganography techniques to hide the data. This allows them to retrieve messages from their home base and send back update without a hint of malicious activity being detected. These messages can replace in the plain sight, and the source that supply these files will never know it. Finding these messages is like finding the probable needle in the world wide web haystack. It's very different. It's very difficult to find the actual data they are just forwarding, right? So in order to being expert, you must understand how to hide the data inside the image. So in this lab we are going to show you by using OpenStego tool how you guys can hide the data. But for that, first we must have the Java runtime version 7. So first I'm going to install the JDK 7, and here we have, so I'm going to install this one first so that we can run the tool, right? Here we go. It will take some time. Here we go. Now we can search or explore the tool here. So download OpenStego. There we go. Here we go, the openstego.com. And introduction is all about to welcome to the home page of the free steganography solution we have. This is an open source software distributed under the terms of GNU, right, as open source. So we have two functionality in this. First is data hiding, and the second is watermarking. It can be hiding data with the cover file like images, and the watermarking files like images with an invisible signature. It can be used to detect unauthorized file copying. So important is, what is steganography? As I've told you, it's a science to hiding some secret messages inside another larger and harmless looking message. This is a notch about the regular cryptography. So this just obscures the original message. Steganography tries to conceal the fact that there's a message in the first place. And steganographic message often appears to be something else than the original or the secret message, like picture, sounds, large, etc. data we have. Sometimes related to steganography is plain text, ciphertext, cover, and stegotext. Plain text, simple, your message in the plain text. The original secret message that need to be communicated. Cipher, the secret message is often first encrypted by using some traditional method like encryption and all. The cover text is the large and the harmless looking data which is used as a container for the plain text or the ciphertext. It can be audio, sound, picture, and text, whatever. And then stegotext is the data generated after embedding the plain text or cipher into a cover text. So we are going to use the stegotext here because we are going to hide your data in the particular image format, right? So here is OpenStego. you guys can send some message in the text file, then you can upload a pic from your system, you can browse a pic, and then output Sego file. You can get it by using a password, obviously. Then you'll get the same text file after, and this is all about the watermarking. So question is here to download to check some more feature in case they are providing. Here again, right, again is pure Java, as I've told you, is written in pure Java and should run all platforms supported by Java. That's why we have installed Java first. It has been tested on MS Windows and Linux, but should not have any problem on other platform too. So please report bug if you find any, so that bug can support the OpenStack to make it more better or more compatible. So it supports password-based encryption to data and additional layer of security. So we are using DS algorithms to use data encryption, and it uses plugin based architecture also. So here we go to download this. Here we go to download, as we have downloaded for you. Here you can see. So I'm going to install. It simply will execute, so small file, and we can. So again asking for Java. Okay, let me try this again. No. Okay, and then install, as we have Java, so we don't need to download it, and then closed. Then we'll search this. OpenStack, run OpenStack. So to locate the file, browse, where we have the file in C. Sorry. Here's the file we need, and here we go. Finally, it's working. So first we're going to create a message file. So hello everyone, we are going to start. Everyone, we are going to start the lab of OpenStego for signography. To save the file, then here we got the file. It's asking for the cover file, so we can take a pic. Have, so let me here we have chose a pic, then output on desktop by using, you can give here OpenStego, then you can click on in case you want just to encrypt the data, then you need your password. In case otherwise it's going to compress with this file, so just click OK. There we go. Okay, it's asking for small size of pic. Can pick this one. And here we got the file. Finally, this is the file, right? And now we are going to check the data, so we'll click on extract file. Here we go, and output on desktop. Take, clicking on OK. It's asking for file because the same file we have still, right? So it's overwriting because the same file we have, so we can click on yes. OK. Here we got the file. Hello everyone, we are going to start the lab. This is the tool, right? This is the tool to hide your text file in the image format. I'll suggest you use not the HTTP because it will take some time. File size, so go for the small size of the file so it can work really fast. You can get that. And in case you are just clicking on encryption also, here we go like this. So you have to give first passwords like this. You can give a password, and then in the extraction part you have to give the password again, then you will get the your data, right? So this is all about, we have used the OpenStago, right? The lab 52 we have finished here, right? We have used Java runtime in this, and the lab 52 is all about image steganography by using OpenStago. We have finished here. Thank you. Close this. Thank you.